The Meghalaya Athletics Association and the Meghalaya State Olympics Association, in collaboration with the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs Government of Meghalaya, will be organizing the Sohra International Half Marathon, which is scheduled on the 21st of December 2022. The marathon will be a point-to-point run starting from Mawkdok Bridge and back, and will have 4 groups of participants comprising of men and women of 18 years and above.
And we are happy to announce that the Meghalaya Athletics Association, Bafani Paret, who is the General Secretary of the Meghalaya Athletics Association, along with the Meghalaya State Olympics Association and the collaboration with the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs, will be conducting international, probably be the first international Sohra half marathon and half marathon. And this is a marathon which is approved by the AFI and will be conducted with the international norms and rules of the World Athletics